Hey, so I'm going to show you how to create a mock-up of a guy wearing your t-shirt and like walking towards the camera. I'm going to show you how easy this is. So first, Midjourney has videos now, which is amazing. So I'll put man wearing black t-shirt, something like that. And then I can have like maybe this dude in the street, and I'm going to go prompt style, and I'm just going to change the aspect ratio here to 916. AR 916. And I'm going to hit enter. And you'll see I did a couple already, but I did them in square by accident. So I want to do this in 916 because like reels and kind of portrait videos are 916 or 1.91 to 1 or something like that. So, but I'm going to resize this in a second. So now I'm just going to pick one of these. That guy looks like Beckham, kind of. Could go with any of them. Just once it's done, I'm going to save it. I'm going to resize it, and I'm going to pop my. Let's go with this dude. So I'll save this image, and then I'm going to open Photopea, and I'm just going to. Photopea is free. I'll just drag it in there. And now I've got this. I'm going to go image size, and I'm going to go 1080 by 1920. I think that was the right one. Which is 916, or let's see. I don't know if I did that. 1080 by 1920, 916. Right, okay, so I got that. I'm gonna go okay. And now I'm just gonna grab real quick any kind of design I got on my computer here. Just gonna drag it in here. So this is like a dad one, but I'll just resize it to make it fit. It says like a dad like me is hard to find. Okay, like so. And then I'll just turn down the opacity of hair. Just make it blend a little better. Go to about an 80. That's good. All right, now I'm going to go File, Export as PNG. This will be my, I'll call it starting frame. Get rid of the rest of that and save. All right, so I got that ready. Now I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go to Create. And what I'm going to do is actually drag my video, my image, my starting frame right here into the starting frame box. And now I can put man walking towards camera smiling. Watch this. So what it's going to do, it should do it. Usually it does. The preview will be square typically. Yeah, and then I'll bump it out into the big one. So this will take pretty much the same amount of time that the other one took in order to generate this image and get it going. And it's very cool because you'll actually see this dude start walking towards the camera, which is just absolutely mind-blowing how far AI has come. It used to be you'd have to use things like Sora or Google's one, which is like $250 a month, I think. The VE3, I think it's called, which is super powerful because it has actual like audio as well. This one doesn't really have any audio, but that's fine. You can get like free public use music if you wanted, or you can just get Facebook to add the music itself if you're using this for an ad. So you can see like dude smiling now. And you really, by the end of this, you can't really tell a difference between this and like an actual model, which just blows my mind at how cool it is. So Midjourney costs, I think I paid $29 a month, something like that. But for the amount of stuff that I can do with it, it is amazing. And it's taken a little bit longer, I think, just because I am recording as I'm doing it. But once you see the end result, your mind's going to be blown away here. Because, yeah, otherwise you would have to go to like a big city. I don't even know what city's in the background, but if you want content that looks real and raw and like you actually went out and hired a model and um, had him wear your shirt or whatever it is. You can do more than just t-shirts with this too, by the way. It's not limited. I have a gift store that I run as well, and I can do virtually any product in there. And I've even done prompts where I've said basically have them like holding this and have them smiling in the background, and then I don't even add the person, like I just add the product itself, and AI will actually add in the background. Now watch this when I mouse over this. Isn't that wild? Like he's wearing my t-shirt. Look at the one on the third one over. It's actually moving by his, just below his chest. Is that not amazing? Like, my God. So now I have this, and there's a couple things I can do with it too. Like, first of all, I use them in Facebook ads, because why not? And make multiple versions. I could even do one where I say, this is a white-skinned European man, so I could go like, so white skin, so I could say, watch this. Middle-aged man wearing Gildan 5000 black, no fold, streetwear, urban background. I could say, straight in the camera, staying straight. Okay, now watch this. So that's my first one, right? That I did, which is just mind-blowingly amazing. And I can just save this video now and use it in an ad. Like, literally, holy cow. And I got 4 versions, too, of the video that it generated for me. So you would just, like, click on it here. And you got all these other options, too. They want to know, like, I like it, I don't like it. I'm going to say I like it, because it's really cool. You can do start frame prompt. Now this stuff, this auto, extend this video with the existing prompt. Low motion, extend this video with the amount of motion. High motion, right? So you can go lower, high. You can play around with these. And then manual. Extend the video with a new prompt. So that's where I believe you're getting into like character reference. And then it actually being able to create the same one. So if I got, I don't know, let's go with this guy. So again, I can do the same thing. Just save, and then go here. I'll actually just drag them right below this one. Oops. Get rid of that, and then I'll make this big. Because I know my image size is already the right dimensions. I could even like get rid of his face if I wanted, but we'll keep it on there. And then I can move that as well. I can make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to fit this all on the screen. Good. I'm going to go File, Export as PNG. Doesn't matter what I call it. And then I'll go back into Midjourney. And I'm going to go Create. And I'm going to get that one. I'm going to drag it into the starting frame. I'm going to say, man smiling, walking towards camera. And again, it will do the same thing with this dude. And you can actually like cycle through and you can find the best, like, I just can't believe how awesome that is. Like he's wearing my shirt and it's like flapping in the wind. So I could have him doing anything. If you have a walking a dog, I could have him walking a black lab if I wanted. And then I could have it like dog dad, right? Something like that. There are just so many different things that I can do with this. I did it as well with, I sell pickleball t-shirts too. And I had just a woman wearing one of my pickleball t-shirt designs. And she's just laughing because it's like really good. But think of this, like if you have any, like you know who your target market is, you can actually have Midjourney create the image, which is your starting frame, just slap your design on it with Photopea like I showed you, and then go back into Midjourney and have it turn it into a video. Like, oh my God. this I'm giggling because I can't believe how amazing. Like, here we go. Like, look at this. So dude, can you tell that's fake? No, you can't. Like, I got like 4 videos that I can use in ads right there. So Midjourney is amazing. Like, they have passed, I think, a lot of different ones. Once they add in audio to this, which I'm sure they will, because they want to compete with some of the other ones that actually will allow you to do audio. But I can even do, those pictures of like Bigfoot that are out there now. I could actually do a picture of Bigfoot wearing a t-shirt, and then I could make a video of it. I should actually try that too. Just bear with me 1 second. So let me try this. Bigfoot wearing a black t-shirt. You know what? Let's go like this. Let's go use, and then I'll say set a middle-aged man. I'm gonna try this. Bigfoot. And then I'll say instead of man, Bigfoot. Okay, and then let's see what it does. This would be so cool if I can get Bigfoot wearing a black t-shirt walking towards the camera with something that says a dad like me is hard to find, and it's an actual Bigfoot on the thing. I don't know how this will do. I actually wasn't even thinking of doing this one, honestly, but this is the beauty of this. That's not Bigfoot. I mean, the poor guy on the left. It looks like a guy wearing a Bigfoot costume. Ooh, the arms got messed up there. That's not bad. That looks like he's wearing a costume. You know what? I wonder if I just did this and removed the style reference. Let me just use the prompt alone, and then I'll get rid of the style reference. Let's go explore. I'll go back out. Oh, am I stuck with this one? Trash. There we go. Okay, let's try that. See if I can get better. Maybe I have to call him Sasquatch. So I'll try this. Sasquatch. Yeah, because it's not pulling in. Try that. Oh, they put Bigfoot on the t-shirt. Okay, that's not it. Okay, so let's try this. Bigfoot standing in the forest wearing a blank black t-shirt. Let's try this. Oh, I forgot to do the thing. And then I'll put AR 916. There we go. Maybe that'll do one. Well, that's better. Kind of creepy. Okay, let's use this one. That looks more like an ape, but we'll try this. Save image. And let's drag this one below. See what we can do here. So do you want to make it bigger? Then I can rotate this a little. Oops. Rotate that a little, just to make it fit. Kind of like that. Okay, let's try this. Export as PNG. Just the last one I'm going to do. I wasn't even planning on doing this one, but I think it'd be funny. Alright, let's go to create this one. Starting frame. And then where's the camera? Try that. This would be, Like that's the kind of thing that I don't know, if you have like a Bigfoot store, then you could add this kind of thing on it, and that would be super cool to see, honestly. But I'm gonna pause it while it does this. Okay, ready? I'm gonna mouse over. So that kind of thing could go viral very easily. He's literally wearing the t-shirt. Anyway, that's how easy this stuff is to do. So I just put Bigfoot into a t-shirt that says a dad like me. It's hard to find where it's him on the shirt. And he's like, I think the starting frame, I would make that a little funnier. Maybe I put like a cute Bigfoot instead of like a scary one kind of running at the camera. But you get the point. Anyway, there's that one. There's these ones are just horrifying. Not those guys, but like these ones are not good. But this one's awesome. And then this one's awesome. So now I got 12 different videos that I could be using in ads. And I think something like this could easily go viral. Because people would be like, what? Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. But that is it for creating videos, creating mock-ups of actual people or Bigfoot wearing your designs on a t-shirt. If you have any questions, let me know.